The angel is notifying you that something significant is going to become yours. Finally, a wonderful moment has arrived. You are going to get a better prize as a result. This is about the remark they have put on you and your nature. Thank you, your generosity moves them. The sight of your genuine kindness and stunning good looks left everyone in amazement. They will remember your name forever and ever. Here's a simplified and rearranged version. The Lord knows the right time for everything. Divine energy urges you to strengthen your bonds and engage in positive endeavors together. Angels are asked to shower you with blessings and honors you deserve. Thank you. Everyone wishes you well. Your charm has impressed them. Expect abundance, favor, and security to fill your home. Hopes that you will accomplish all of the miraculous things the angels have planned for you. You are destined to achieve abundance, love, and kindness in every facet of your life. The angels will bless your life with abundant happiness and satisfaction. The first light of day symbolizes the beginning of a new chapter in your life. They will shower you with the fortune you have earned. This person will always have your back and think the world of you. Intends for you to welcome the happy times that lie ahead. Soon a time of absolute joy and contentment will arrive. The angel will sprinkle his blessings of wisdom and hope upon your lives. Thank you. Your path is about to be illuminated by the anointing. You will be showered with renewed vigor and grace, creating wonderful days. Here's a simplified and rearranged version. Powerful positive energies will fill your home. You're about to embark on a significant new phase, with things improving steadily. Good news is coming your way, and it will bring even greater joy. Angels will present excellent opportunities and abundance. Your path is opening to wonderful beginnings. Thank you. Embrace these amazing blessings meant for you. Type 111 and claim them.